Looking to upgrade your Chrysler, Dodge, or Jeep stereo without the hassle? The Scosche wiring harness makes it simple to plug into your factory stereo, ensuring a seamless reinstall with no guesswork. Designed with factory-quality wires and connectors, it guarantees a perfect fit and dependable connection every time. What sets this harness apart? It uses EIA industry standard color-coded wires, making installation straightforward, even if you're not a professional. Its compact design fits snugly in tight spaces, so you won't have to worry about clutter or awkward wiring. Plus, it's a reverse adapter style, tailored specifically for 2002 and newer Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles. I've personally used this harness to add an aux input to my 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee's factory stereo through an FM modulator. It worked flawlessly. The setup included the crab antenna adapter, which connects between the factory antenna and the aftermarket device, creating a smooth signal path. After months of use, the connection remains rock solid with no interference or dropouts. Scosche isn't new to this game. They've been crafting high-quality, affordable car stereo accessories for over 40 years. Their commitment to excellence means you get a product that meets rigorous standards. More than that, Scosche backs every wiring harness with a limited lifetime warranty and offers lifetime tech support. So, whenever you have questions or need help, their expert team is just a call away. If you're installing aftermarket gear into your factory Chrysler stereo, this harness is exactly what you need. It's not meant for universal Motorola plugs, but for anyone wanting a clean, reliable connection without rewiring your vehicle, it's worth a look. The ease of installation alone saves time and frustration, while the durable build ensures long-term performance. When you choose Scosche, you're not just buying a wiring harness, you're investing in peace of mind. The combination of factory-grade materials, thoughtful design, and ongoing support means your upgrade will be smooth and hassle-free. If that's you, this wiring harness is ready to make your stereo project easier and more reliable. Try it when you're ready to take your Chrysler, Dodge, or Jeep audio setup to the next level. With Scosche's lifetime warranty and expert tech support, you're covered every step of the way. Upgrade confidently and enjoy your sound system without the typical headaches of installation.